What's the best theater in Jingdezhen? If you travel to China and come to Jingdezhen and you're looking for a place for entertainment show, and the better place is the Grand Theater. Its name is called Taoxichuan Grand Theater. And this theater is situated in the Taoxichuan Art District. And this Grand Theater is a masterpiece designed by the famous British architect David Chipperfield. With its clear water, red brick style, it seamlessly blends with other iconic buildings in Jingdezhen to create a beautiful cityscape. What sets Taoxichuan Grand Theater apart is its simplicity and accessibility. Unlike many other theaters, there are no imposing steps to climb. Instead, it stands on an equal footing with the road, fostering unique connection with the people. The transparent glass walls allow passers-by to catch a glimpse of the vibrant artistic charm inside, making a truly inviting space. At night, the theater transforms into a dazzling spectacle. The simple yet unique design, featuring clear red brick and distinctive salmon gray drip columns, gives the theater a modern and artistic flair. The large glass walls and round holes in the salmon board play with natural light, creating amazing play of colors. Designed with a total investment of 770 million Chinese yuan, the Taoxichuan Grand Theater is the most expensive art palace in Jingdezhen. Its 400 square meters size houses a spacious hall where people gather to enjoy performances or simply relax on sofas, contributing to the vibrant cultural atmosphere. The theater is part of the broader Ceramic Art Avenue Taoxichuan Master Plan, connecting the city to its industrial past. In the first phase, the western part of the site was refurbished to a museum, porcelain shops, and ceramics market. The second phase on the eastern side transforms the area into a performing art campus with colleges, performance venues, and more. The Grand Theater, marking the northern end of this cultural hub, is a new brick construction, echoing the traditional materials of historic industrial buildings. It features a classical opera house with a fully lined walnut auditorium, accommodating 1,200 seats in a house show shape. The black box theater, lined in black wood, offers a versatile and flexible space for contemporary performances, even opening up to host open-air concerts on the campus. And so, if you find yourself in Jingdezhen, make sure to visit the Taoxichuan Grand Theater. It's a cultural gem that not only cultivates with its design, but also plays a vital role in connecting the city's past with its vibrant present.